Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the 2016 Ford Focus on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch the ignition off. Open the hood, prop it securely, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Wear gloves to protect the bulbs from skin oils and to protect your hands from sharp edges. Gather tools: a replacement H11 low beam or 9005 high beam bulb, a 10 mm wrench, and a flashlight. Allow the headlight assembly to cool for 10 minutes before you touch the lamp housing. To reach the rear of the headlight, remove any obstructing engine cover or loosen the air intake fasteners. Some models require removing two 10 mm bolts. Locate the round plastic dust cap on the back of the headlight assembly and twist it counterclockwise to remove. Identify the bulb socket, press the wiring harness release tab, and pull the connector straight off. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to free the bulb, then pull the old bulb straight back out of the housing while supporting the assembly. Hold the replacement bulb by its base only. Never touch the glass with bare hands because oils can shorten bulb life. Align the bulb tabs with the housing slots, insert straight in, and rotate the socket clockwise until it seats firmly. Reattach the wiring harness until the release tab clicks, then reinstall the dust cap and any engine covers or bolts you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the car, and test low and high beams. If the beam pattern is off, adjust headlight aim per vehicle specs until properly aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.